Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? You all are good? That's very great. So, are you all ready with your books now? You all are ready with your books? That's good. Okay, so let us start with our work now. Today we are going to start our work with writing skills. Today we are going to write a new letter. Let's see which letter we are going to write today. Today we are going to write letter D. Today we are going to write letter D. Very good. First of all, I request the parents to please circle the day for today. Then put the date, month and year. Then please circle the weather for today. Okay. So my dear little ones, this is letter D. This is letter D. I hope you all are done with letter C. So today we are going to do letter D. So this is very easy to form. The way you did C, जैसे आपने C write किया था, ऐसे we will the same we will make a curve over here. We will join the dots. So this way we will make a curve over here like the way we made C, then a standing line. You have to join it slowly, 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 slowly. And here we give a slight curve. This is letter D. This is letter D. Let's write it again. A curve like the way you have written C. This way we made a C. Okay. Then a standing line with a curve. This is letter D. This is letter D. Today you will be doing the tracing part only. You have to write these 6 tracing letters only. Okay. Now from upwards to downwards, a standing line with a curve. This is letter D. 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 What is the sound of letter D? It's D. 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 Okay. So this is the standing line. This is letter D. This is letter D. Now let me show you something related to letter D. Today is our session number 58. Oh wow, what is this? This is D the duck. D the duck. D the duck. D the drum. This is D the drum. D the drum. D the door. D the door. See the way the door is getting open and closed. D the door. D the door. D the doll. D the doll. D the donkey. D the donkey. D the dog. Which animal is this? This is dog. D the dog. D the dog. Wow. Which animal is this? This is D the dolphin. D the dolphin. D the dolphin. D the dog. D the dog. D the donkey. D the donkey. D the doll. D the door. D the drum. D the drum. D the duck. D the duck. So these are the objects related to letter D. Now look at your book. In your book, here are the images. Though I have shown you, this is D the duck, D the drum, D the door, D the dolphin, D the doll, D the dog, D the donkey. And what is the name of this donkey? Danny the donkey. D the donkey. Danny the donkey looks so cool. He sits at a desk and studies at school. Where does he studies? He studies at school. Danny the donkey looks so cool. He sits at a desk and studies at school. So this is letter D. This is letter D. You all have to do these 6 tracing letters first. Then we will start writing over here. Okay? First you have to write it. First you have to write only the tracing part. Now we are going to discuss the facts given over here. What does the sound of a duck? What sound does duck make? Whistle like a duck, and you have to say quack quack. What you have to say? You have to say quack quack. Show the children a drum and let the children take turns to beat. Okay, if it's possible, give your children a small drum. If a toy drum is there at your place, okay, they'll beat the drum and they'll say D the drum. The way we live in a house, the lion lives in a den. जैसे हम house में रहते हैं, ऐसे lion का house क्या होता है? Den. It is made of big stones called rocks. Okay. Ask, do you have a dog at home? Okay. If any of the child has dog at their place, they can talk about their dog as well. Okay. Show the children a doll and let them describe it. Okay. What you have to show your child? Almost all the girls have dolls at their places. So they will describe their any one doll. How does the doll looks like? What is the color of dress of the doll? And how are the hairs of the doll? What is the color of eyes of the doll? Okay. Show dolphins can jump very high out of water. Show the children a video on dolphins. The way I have shown an image of dolphin under the water, so you can show them any of the video related to dolphins. Walk up the door, go out of the door, shut it softly, knock at the door and say, can I come in? This activity you have to repeat at home. Your child will open the door. Okay. The child will shut it softly. Then child will knock the door and ask, can I come in, mama? If the child is at home, so the child will say, can I come in, mama? So you have to say, yes, you can come in. Have the children beat hands up and down if playing a drum. They have to beat their hands up and down and they'll say D the drum, D the drum, D the drum, D the dog, D the donkey, D the doll, D the dolphin, D the door, D the drum, D the duck. Okay, so this is all about letter D. You have to write only these 6 letters of tracing part only. Okay, moving on to next. Now we are going to listen to the rhyme. I hope you all remember the rhyme we did yesterday. All of you go fast and bring your rhymes book. Go fast and be ready for my little pup. Okay, I am going to play the rhyme. Let's listen.
My little pup can jump up high. He chases his tail, I don't know why. He loves to fetch the ball I throw. It's fun to see how quick he grows.
This is really a beautiful rhyme. Listen to once again.
My little pup. My little pup can jump up high. He chases his tail, I don't know why. He loves to fetch the ball I throw. It's fun to see how quick he grows.
This is the rhyme. My little pup. My little pup. My little pup can jump up high. He chases his tail, I don't know why. He loves to fetch the ball I throw. It's fun to see how quick he grows. So you have to listen to this rhyme and gradually you have to learn this rhyme. Okay? That's good. Moving on to next. Today we are going to do Hindi. So all of you go fast and bring your child-centric Hindi Chitra Pustika Perfection Toolkit 2 of 2. Perfection Toolkit 2 of 2. Okay. Now let's open the book and see which व्यंजन we are going to do today. आज हम कौन सा व्यंजन करने जा रहे हैं? ये एक नया व्यंजन है. कौन सा व्यंजन है? ये है व्यंजन च. ये है व्यंजन च. कौन सा व्यंजन है ये? ये है व्यंजन च. मैं पहले आपको इसके चित्र दिखाती हूँ, फिर हम करते हैं व्यंजन च. ये कौन सा व्यंजन है? ये है व्यंजन च. च चक्र. च चक्र. च चरखा. च चरखा. च चमगादड़. च चमगादड़. च चप्पल. च चप्पल. च चम्मच which you call spoon. च चम्मच. च चम्मच. ये क्या है? चम्मच. च चम्मच. च चप्पल. च चप्पल. च चमगादड़. च चमगादड़. च चरखा. च चरखा. च चक्र. च चक्र. और ये है व्यंजन च. ये कौन सा व्यंजन है? व्यंजन च. कौन सा व्यंजन है ये? ये है व्यंजन च. च से चरखा. च से चरखा. इसे कौन यूज करता था? गांधी जी, महात्मा गांधी. च चरखा. च चरखा. च चमगादड़. च चमगादड़. च चक्र. च चक्र. च चम्मच. च चम्मच. च चप्पल. च चप्पल. चक्र घुमाकर चरखा चलता, घुमा घुमाकर धागे से बनते हैं कपड़े सुंदर सुंदर अच्छे अच्छे. चरखे में क्या है? चक्र. इस चक्र को घुमा घुमाकर क्या बनता है? धागा. और धागे से क्या बनते हैं? कपड़े सुंदर सुंदर अच्छे अच्छे. सुंदर सुंदर अच्छे अच्छे. च से चरखा. च से चरखा. चक्र घुमाकर चरखा चलता, घुमा घुमाकर धागा बनता, धागे से बनते हैं कपड़े सुंदर सुंदर अच्छे अच्छे. हम जो कपड़े पहनते हैं वो किससे बनते हैं? धागे से. और धागा कहाँ से बनता है? कैसे बनता है? चक्र घुमाकर. चरखे का चक्र घुमा घुमाकर क्या बनता है? धागा, थ्रेड। ये कौन सा व्यंजन है? ये है व्यंजन च। कौन सा व्यंजन है? ये है व्यंजन च। व्यंजन च। च चरखा, च चमगादड़, च चमगादड़। च चक्र, च चक्र। च चम्मच, च चम्मच। च चप्पल, च चप्पल। चक्र घुमाकर चरखा चलता, घुमा घुमा कर धागा बनता, धागे से बनते हैं कपड़े सुंदर सुंदर अच्छे अच्छे। अब आपको इस चित्र को पहचानना है, इस चित्र को पहचानना है, इस व्यंजन को पहचानना है। ये कौन सा व्यंजन है? व्यंजन च। कौन सा व्यंजन है ये? ये है व्यंजन च। ठीक है, आपको व्यंजन च पहचानना है, व्यंजन च के चित्र पहचानने हैं। ओके, so we are done for today. You have to listen to the new rhyme, My Little Pup. Then in your writing skills book, you have to write letter D. Only these 6 letters you have to write, the tracing part only. Okay, so we are done for today. We will meet tomorrow. You have to complete your work and you have to send me your work. Okay, bye, take care, we will meet tomorrow.